In this video, I'm going to show you how you could find the most used 4 to 5 different payment methods buyers on Paxful are using in your country. That and much more coming up now. It's the crypto lifestyle, baby! Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, my name is Francis, and on this channel we emphasize the importance of crypto mass adoption, decentralization, and other Bitcoin related stuff that could bank as coin. So if that sounds interesting to you, subscribe now and hit that bell notification button so you don't miss anything. So that's right, I'm going to show you which payment methods, about 4 to 5, are the most used in your country. So this is important for people who are looking for the best payment methods, and that's what I've been getting a lot. And it really does vary from country to country because, you know, just like any other normal trader, you look at the markets that has the highest volume, and this is no different. But like I say in my videos, I am not a financial advisor, right? I am only a crypto fanatic who truly believes this technology will change the world. So please do your homework when investing into any cryptocurrency and or even platform, and also consult with your local legal counselor because every jurisdiction does vary. Okay, so we're at Paxful's homepage right now, and there's a couple of ways to go about doing this. But by the way, if you don't have a Paxful account as yet, my link is provided for you in the description box and the comment section below. There are a couple of benefits when using my link. First of all, you get $5, I get $5 worth of Bitcoin once you are fully verified and make your first successful trade. The second benefit, which should be the first benefit, is you'll actually have my assistance. You'll actually learn the mistakes that I have endured, and by me, you know, handing over this information to you, you will definitely be able to surpass that, or be able to you know, skip those mistakes. So yeah, I will be more than happy to help anybody who did register through me. So just hit me up on Telegram, and I'll be more than happy to even invite you to our private chat, which is getting pretty filled right now. I might lock that off pretty soon. But anyways, let's get to the topic at hand here. So we're at Paxful right now, and there's a couple of ways to do this. Now you could just Google it like this. So let's put in Paxful India, and it should populate, and the first one normally is what it is. You'll just click that link and it'll take you to Paxful India, and as you scroll down it says top payment methods in India. And why is this important? It's important because, you know, now you know out of the 389 ways to buy Bitcoin on Paxful, which top 5 methods, or in this case top 6 methods, are the most popular in your country. So that way, you know, you could, you know, like IMPS transfer is number 1, UPI transfer is number 2, and this is in India. Paytm online wallet. So for anybody from India watching this video, these are your main payment methods that people are mainly using in India. They got phone app, they got BHIM, and bank transfer is the 6th most used option. Okay, not to say that how you're only limited to these options, but certainly these are the most used options. So you might want to explore these markets. Okay, and you know, if you want to check out what's going on there, you just click on the buy Bitcoin button, or if you're selling Bitcoin, you'll just go to sell Bitcoin and check that out as well. So IMPS, for people who want to buy, here's where you'll come. Okay, this guy's charging you an additional 11.53%, an additional 16%, but this video is not really about that. Okay, so let's just go to sell Bitcoin, right? So for the people who want to sell their Bitcoin and to make a profit, this is the route you're going to take. So we're going to click this and put in IMPS right here. Let's see what comes up. IMPS, and there you go, right? And these are the people that are selling Bitcoin. Now the markups are actually a little bit smaller here, 5%, 4.88%. Again, that's a different video for another day. I'm just showing you how to locate the area where you could see the top most used payment methods in your country. So as I said, there's 2 ways to do that. You could Google it, Paxful India, Paxful and space country, whatever country you're in. Or if you already are logged into your Paxful account, all you gotta do is really scroll down here, and it tells you, right? So these icons, I'm from Canada. It tells me that Bankwire is the most used payment method in Canada. And then after that is Interac e-transfer is number 2, which I love. I personally love. That's my favorite. And then PayPal. I'm not a big fan of PayPal. Interac Online is very similar to Interac e-transfer. Any credit or debit card is used, the 5th most used payment method, and The 6th most used payment method is the Western Union, okay? So for anybody in Canada, you're going to get some high volume by using these payment methods. You could also use the Amazon gift cards and one vanillas, as I demonstrated in previous videos. Now, let's go over here. For people living in the United States of America, pay close attention. So the most used payment method is bank transfer, okay? And then after that is ZellyPay. Very popular, number 2. And then after that is even Western Union people are using, the 3rd most option. You got PayPal at 4. You got at 5th is cash deposit to bank. So people are actually going into the bank and depositing cash. And then number 6 is Amazon gift cards, because we know how popular Amazon gift card is in the States especially, right? It's their biggest market is .com. And you could pretty much, Amazon gift cards is just as good as money, dollar for dollar, straight up. What could you not get at Amazon, right? So as I demonstrated, people are getting 40% off trading Bitcoin for Amazon gift cards. So as you can see right here, the top payment methods in Nigeria. Number 1 comes bank transfer. That's the most used payment method in Nigeria. So anybody in Lagos, Nigeria, I know you guys be watching the Crypto Lifestyle on YouTube, pay close attention. Number 1, bank transfer. Number 2, most used payment method in Nigeria is cash deposit to bank. Number 3 is something called Chipper Cash, okay? Number 4 is the ever so popular Western Union. Number 5 is MoneyGram, which is just like Western Union, and also MTN Mobile Money. So this may sound more familiar to you than it does to me. I am not from Nigeria. I've heard of Western Union and obviously Bankwire and cash deposit to bank, but Chipper Cash and MTN Mobile is like speaking Greek to me. I do not know what that is. Okay, guys, so there you have it. Next on the list here, we got people in the UK. What up, mates? All you blokes out there hustling. So for the blokes out there in the UK, the first payment method for you guys that people use a lot is bank transfer. Highly used the most, okay? Then PayPal. Number 3 is Western Union. You got something called, what's that? Revolut. RIA money transfer and cash in person. So I highly recommend you come to these blue links and then you check out the volume, and also compare your markup to what the competitors are selling, because at the end of the day, people probably won't buy something that's, you know, excessively high to like the next guy, and it's just a click away. So why would they pay something that's 10% more than the guy right next to you? So that's very important as well. Who do we got next on the list? We already did India. Netherlands. Okay, so for the people in Netherlands, the most popular payment method, number 1 is bank transfer. Number 2, PayPal. I wouldn't recommend it. Hey, if you guys want to test it out, go ahead. Number 3 is Sofort, which is very popular in Europe, not only limited to Holland or Netherlands. Number 4 is Skrill. Number 5, Western Union, and also Amazon gift cards is pretty big in Holland. Okay, so that's all I'm really going to go over. I think we already went over Canada. We just went over Holland or Netherlands. We went over UK. We just went over Nigeria, USA, and I think we're done there, guys. So look, once again, there are 2 ways to do this. You could Google Paxful and then space whatever country you're in, and then it should be the first one that comes up that populates. Or if you already are logged into your account, as you can see, like myself, right here on the first page, you're going to see buy Bitcoin with any payment method and top payment options in Canada. Or you could even search by popular on Paxful, okay? And that's just Paxful as a whole. But if you want to really niche it down or customize it to your country, you want to search by country, okay? So that's all I got for you guys. I hope this video serves you well. And if you haven't checked out my Paxful videos, I would leave a link right here to my playlist. Do check that out. We got some valuable content there. And I would be providing much more valuable content for you guys in the future, including how to retrieve your 0.1 BTC bond back, and also how to use credit cards and debit cards via your point of sale terminals. So you know what? There really isn't much left to say other than, till the next video, you're on your own. Later.